everyone, I'm Seren Leone. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe so you can get more beauty. So in today's video, I want to do this makeup technique. This technique is underpainting. So when you do underpainting, you basically take your highlight and your contour and your blush and put it underneath your makeup. Okay, so if you want to see how I'm going to do this technique, stay tuned. My Fenty Beauty Instant Retouch Primer. Now this is a soft matte primer. I love a soft matte, especially when I'm already hydrating underneath with my HydraVisor with SPF. It's a moisturizer and an SPF from Fenty Skin. If you want to know all about my skincare, please check out the video here. And with my primer, I'm just going to blend it up into my skin and pat it down once it's spread around. I am going to give my lips a little bit of moisture with this Cocoa Beauty Rose Balm Oil. I absolutely am in love with this stuff. It is from a black-owned brand. I will tag the brand, it'll be down in the description. It's actually working beautifully for my dark spots and blemishes. It has rose, hip oil, avocado, everything that I love. OMG. I'm going to also take my Fenty Beauty Pro Kisser and Hint and moisturize. This tip, this applicator, okay, I would say I spent at least 7 more seconds applying lip gloss just because how soft it is. Like, I love this stuff. Next, I'm going to contour my face. And I'm going to blend that out with my Sephora angled brush. This is the angled contour brush flat 75. Tap and blend upwards. In here, I'm just gonna like kind of swipe that, tapping downwards on the forehead contour and upwards on the cheek. To blend out my nose contour, I'm gonna take the actual angled part and just blend up and down the nose, the bridge of my nose. Okay, the next thing that I'm gonna do is highlight my Fenty Beauty Concealer. Now this is just their Instant Retouch Concealer. I'm in the shade 385 and this is their liquid concealer. So the next thing that I'm going to do is blend this on down. My Fenty Beauty Foundation brush. So next I'm going to use some blush. I'm going to grab my Fenty Beauty Cream Blush in the shade Cool Berry. Hey, hey, hey. I'm just going to take this brush and... Okay, so I have my Cover FX in Moonlight. Drop it off. Whoa. Wow. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, this is the magic moment. I haven't done this technique in a while, so I'm kind of like nervous, and then of course I'm doing it differently. Woo! My makeup technique has definitely evolved, and I'm just going to use it to buff out the foundation. Let's do an unboxing, okay? So this sponge is precise, versatile, expert blending for all formulas. Comes like this, bam, cute. I absolutely love it, and I am going to use this wet. Also, I'm going to wipe off my hands because I actually don't want to blend the Cover FX all over if I don't have to. Like, I really want to glow in the spots that I placed it, so you know. Just take out your sponge. Super soft. I have some water right here because I am going to use it damp, so I'm dipping it right now. Actually, I want to wash my hands all together. So for all of that, I could have wet the sponge over there. I didn't have to get the, okay girl. So yes, ooh, a nice damp sponge. Okay, so now I am going to use my foundation, Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear foundation with a little and build if I need to. Let's go and get started. So I'm gonna use the back. Do I want to use the back end? Do I want to use it? Yeah, why not? It's just, I don't know why I'm getting nervous at this point. Buffing it out, and I'm actually going to start right here, and let's just go in. Here I go again on the hand, and this time I'm gonna start here and go on the nose and up around my eye. Okay, so here is the blended side, the non-blended side. So yeah, this is the unblended side, and here we are blended. Again, because I'm gonna go over this foundation, I'm just gonna hit it, like get it inside on the same place, right back up here, and then down here. So I'm buffing it in, going down around to where that jawline is. Go over the eye. So right now the base of my face is done. Let's go in and I'm gonna add some eyebrows. Let's see, what kind of brows should we do with this look? I feel like underpainting, like it comes together really, really quickly, you know? Low just through the foundation, wow. So let's make it like a little cute springtime look, okay? Look at this cute blush. Like, so I have like this cool berry, cool color on my eyelids. Why not use the same thing? The Aina palette, and I'm gonna use the color Supreme. The lid to be a little bit brighter, so I'm putting some more of Supreme on the lid, on top of that cream blush. Let me add some Big Wig, which is like a cute purple color. I'm gonna swipe this, like all these colors at the bottom. Go and add it. Okay, this isn't my favorite brow accessory right now, but you know, I don't have any brow thing that I love that's affordable right now. Drop it down in the comments if you got me, girl, because I don't got it. Right now I'm using this Goof Proof in the shade 4.
Next, I'm going to show you how I do my lashes. I was going to do them off camera, but decided to show you guys. So here I'm just gluing some lash glue onto the lash. And I already cut it in half and everything because I'm going to glue it up underneath my lash line. So this is how I usually do my lashes. I just cut the strips into 2 or 3 pieces and place them up underneath the lash line. I don't know why this is easier for me. Let me know down in the comments what's easier for you. And then I'm just going to wipe up.
So I'm back and I did my lashes and my brows. Bronze up my face. Take this big fluffy brush, and not too much, I'm just gonna, you know, get into the lips. Lip Beat 20. This is just, I grabbed this from the beauty supply store. So ladies, this is the final look. What do you think about the technique? Let me know down in the comments if you will try it or if you tried it. Let me know what you love about it. Let me know what you hate about it. Do you have any questions about it? I will chit chat with you in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel for more beauty videos. And as always, I will list these products down below, and I will see you guys soon in the next video.